town. It's called compa.
What is compa?
Compa is a mixture of flavors, you know, and it was created almost 55 years ago by our creator, Nemo Jean-Baptiste.
It sounds beautiful, doesn't it? It sounds absolutely beautiful.
4x4,
Yeah,
very
4x4.
easy going. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the American music?
Let's do that.
Yes,
Let's do the
exactly.
1, 2, 3, 4 right now,
1,
Richie.
2, 3, 4.
Richie, when are you playing this weekend? Tell me real quick.
We're playing Friday, we're playing Saturday in the festival, and right after the festival, and we're playing Sunday as well.
All right,
Yeah,
all weekend
we're
long.
all weekend
It's a
long.
busy weekend for us.
This is the weekend for you. This is the weekend for you too, South Florida, the annual Haitian.
Solution donnée pour pays avancer.
It's caught in the crossfire.